How to fix Max Stream HBO, TV and Movies app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about fixing the Max application. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your connection is stable, strong and reliable. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and vice versa to see if the problem gets resolved. Or you can also try turning on the flight mode or the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds to reset the network settings. Now come back, open your Play Store if you're using Android and open your App Store if you're using iPhone. Now in the search bar, simply type in Max, HBO Stream and TV and Movies app, but this app is not currently available in my region. So if it's available in your region, go ahead, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Another thing you can do is you can tap and hold onto this application and then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info, then go to storage and then tap on clear cache. On an iPhone, you can go ahead and open your general and then go to iPhone storage. Search for Max application, and once you find it, upload the app. And on Android, you can just simply go ahead and uninstall this application and reinstall it using your Play Store or App Store. And once you've tried all the methods and if it still does not work, you can use the app on the website as well. And you can restart the app and log out and log back in. And if you still have problems, contact the official help center of the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.